Young chingudeul, I'm now here at McDonald's to buy BTS Meal Set. I'll order and we'll go inside.
The next day.
Annyeong chingudeul, I just woke up. So today I'm going to try the BTS meal. So I'll show you what's inside. As you know, yesterday I ordered it and I will eat it today. But if you dine in inside the McDonald's, they will not give you a paper bag like this. So I decided to take it out. So now I'm going to show you what's inside. Since I don't eat spicy food, I don't like to try the cajun because I heard it's very spicy. So I talked to the crew and he said that sweet sauce is better for me. So he gave me 2 sweet sauce. And then I ordered Sprite. And I have Chickennuggets, BTS meal, Horahe. So as you know, I love purple. So I like their theme nowadays. Ta-da! So I already preheat it in the microwave. So I'm going to eat this as my breakfast. Yum yum. So my niece, Angel, she really loved BTS and she said, don't throw this. So I will keep this and the paper bag and maybe the cup as well. I don't know. Let's see. And that's all. And tissue. Okay, let's eat. I'm going to keep this first, so I'll remove this. And I'll show you below. See, BTS nuggets. Ta-da! And I'll open the sweet sauce. It's sweet and sour. Looks like this. And the other one. Ta-da. Okay, I'm going to eat now. But you know what? I tried to ask the crew if they have some like freebies. But he said there aren't. So just the nuggets, chicken nuggets, and that paper bag, I think. So let's try. Yummy. Oh, this is my breakfast. See? Good. I'm very full. For the last bite, I'm so full now. I forgot that it also includes the French fries. I saw it in the other paper bag. Yeah, so I'm very full. I cannot try to eat this now, so maybe later. Anyway, 10 pieces of nuggets I think is enough for breakfast because I don't eat breakfast a lot. No more, but French fries were left. Love the sauce. Yeah. At first, I thought the BTS meal includes burger, but it's only chicken nuggets with the sauce, two sauce. You can choose between cajun, sweet and sour French fries. And with the drinks, you can choose which drink do you want. For BTS fans out there, I know you would like to try this one, but please wait till a McDonald's branch in your country can have this BTS meal. Anyway, it tastes good, and I love chicken as well. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Annyeong, chingudeul.